Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to continue solutions to WAEC 2019 maths. Okay, so we have two questions to be solved here. We have question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, so let's take the first one, which is question number what? Number 6. The question says if T equals a set of prime numbers and M is a set of what now? Odd numbers. And these two, they are subsets of this universal set U, which is what? A set of S such that 0 is less than X, X is less than or equals to what now? 10, okay? Then this X is what now? An integer. We now have to find T prime intersection M prime, meaning T prime and M prime. So the first thing we do here in class is release the element of this universal set out, okay? So which implies we have our what now? Our universal set equals what are the elements? If 0 is less than X means what now? S is greater than what now? Is 0, okay? So we are starting from what now? 1, 2, 3. And this S is less than or equals to what now? 10. So it means we are going to stop at what? At 10. So we have continue, and we'll stop at what now? At 10. So this is from 1 to what? To 10, okay? Alright, so let's now list what now? Element of T. Element of T will be equals to, now, you can say T is a prime what? Prime numbers. Class, the question now is, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible only by themselves and what now? And 1. So meaning it's only 1 and that number that can divide what now? And the number, okay? Although we have many prime numbers in mathematics, but the prime numbers we are talking about here must be found between 1 and what now? And 10, okay? Because they are subset. What are subsets? Subsets are sets that are found in another set. So meaning since T is a subset of this what universal set, that T must be what now? Found between 1 and what now? And 10, okay? So let us list the prime numbers that can be found between 1 and 10. So I think the first one is what? Is 2, okay? We have 3. Which other one class we have? We have 5. Which other one? We have 7. And that's all. We can't have 9. We can't have 10. So this is all, okay? So these are what now? These are what now? Numbers that are divisible by themselves now and 1, okay? So meaning it is only 2 that can divide 2 and 1. It is only 3 that can divide 3 and 1. It's only 5 that can divide 5 and 1. And it's only what now? 7 that can divide 7 and 1, okay? So now what is now T prime? T prime means what now? Numbers that are found in this universal set but not in this what now? Set C, okay? Prime means what now? Prime is a function of the universal set. Prime means what you see in the universal set, but you will not see it in that set, okay? So our T prime here, we take our T prime. Are you with me, class? What is our T prime? Meaning what I can see in what now? In this universal set, but I will not see it in this what now? In this set, okay? So I can see 1 here, I will not see here. Which other thing? 2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. I can see 4 here, okay? What again? I can see 6 here, that is not here. I can see 8 here, okay? What again, class? I can see 9. I can see what now? 10. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now? So we can see 1 here, meaning prime or complement means what I will see in the universal set, but not in this set that we're talking about, okay? So I can see 1 here, which is not here. So I put 1 down. I can see 4 here. I put it down. I can see 6 here. I can see 8 here, 9 here, and 10 here, okay? So let's go to the next one. M. What are odd numbers, class? Class, what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that are not easily divisible by what now? By 2. We have many of them, but the one we're talking about here must be between what now? 1 and what now? And 10, okay? So let's list the what now? The odd numbers out. So we have what now? 1 is the first one. We have 3, okay? We have what now? 5. We have 7. We have what now? 9. So these are the odd numbers contained between what? 1 and what now? And 10, okay? So let us go for what now? M prime. So what will be our M prime, class? Our M prime will be numbers that will found in this what now, that can be found in what now? In this universal set, but not in this M, okay? So what are the numbers here? 2 is here. Are you with me, class? So I can see 2 here. 2 is not here. 3 is here. 3 is here. I can see 4 here that's not here. So I'll put 4 down. I can see what now? 6 here. Okay. What again? I can see what now? 8, okay? I can see what now? I can see 10. Are you with me? So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 what now? 8, 10. So what is now the what now? What is the question? The question says you find what now? T prime and what now? Meaning what I can see in this one and I can also see it here. Okay? So we have what? Our T prime intersection what now? M prime will be equals to, okay, let us leave the elements out, class. So I can see what now? 1 is here, 1 is not here. Okay? I can see 4 here, 4 is here, so I'll put 4 down. What again can I see here? I can see 6 here. I'm referring to this one and this, okay? I can see 6 here. I can also see 6 here, so I'll put 6 down here. What again, class? I can see 8 here. I can see 8 here, so I'll put 8 down. What again? I can see 10 here. I can see 10 here, okay? So this is what now? This is the answer to the what now? To the question. And the correct option to that question, which is question number 6, will be what now? Option A. Option A is the correct one. So option A is the correct what now? Answer to this what now? Question, okay? Guys, do you understand what I've explained here? So just follow the pattern. Follow the pattern and my what now? Explanation. Let's take question number 7. This is an aspect of money that we'll call what now? Logarithm. Okay? So this 9 can be broken down to what now? 3 raised to the power 2. So here we have what now? Log of what plus? 3 raised to the power 2 is what now? Is 3. Minus this 8 is what now? Log of what now? 2 raised to the power what now? 3 is what now? Is 2. What's the meaning of 3 raised to the power? That is what? 3 times 3, which is what now? 9. What is the meaning of 2 raised to the power 3? That is 2 times 2, 4. Okay? Then 4 times 2 give us what now? 8. All over, I'll apply the same concept here. Log of what now? Log of 3 raised to the power 2 is what? Base 3. Okay? This one can come down here. So I'll have what now? 2 log what now? 3 base 3 minus. This one can come down here. So I'll have what now? 3 log 2 base what? Base 2. All over. This one too will come down here. I'll have what now? 2 log what now? Log 3 base what now? Base 3. I've done justice to all this. Logarithm. You can check one of my videos. Okay? I'll put the link below this video. I've done justice to what now? Logarithm. So I'm just solving it based on what I've explained before. Okay? So what's the next thing? Log 3 base 3 will give us what now? 1, because the logarithm of a number to its base will give us what now? 1. So which implies this one will become 2 times 1 minus. Okay, the same thing here. So we have what now? 3 times what now? 1 all over. So we have 2 times what now? Times 1. So this will be what now? 2 minus what now? Minus 3 all over what now? All over 2. What is 2 minus 3, class? That will be what now? Minus 1 all over 2. So the correct answer to this question is option what now? Option D. Okay, so please, class, I am on a mission. And what is my mission, class? My mission is to have what now? 1,000 subscribers. Please just subscribe to my channel. Help this channel to grow, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button below this video, okay? Help the channel to grow, okay? Because I'm going to be producing more of videos like this. This is just question number 6 and 7. We still have more questions to be what now? To be solved, because we're still going to what now? 50 questions. So we've done 2, 3, 5, and this is what now? 6 and 7, okay? Subscribe. This is my mission. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help the channel to grow, okay? Just click the what now? The red subscribe button below this what now? This video, okay? Are you with me, class? Click. Just click and you share the videos. Share the videos with your loved ones, okay? Share the videos and you can watch any of my videos on the screen right now, okay? Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next class.